you facing issues with the swipe reply feature not working on Instagram for your iPhone? In today's video, I will walk you through a step-by-step process to troubleshoot and resolve the problem on your iPhone. Let's jump right into the video. Solution 1. Update your Instagram. Open the App Store, search Instagram. If you find any updates available, then tap on Update. Now, open the Instagram app and check that features. Solution 2. Offload the Instagram app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap on General. Now tap on iPhone storage. Find the Instagram, tap on it, tap on the offloaded app and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the app. Hope your problem will be fixed. If you find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.